Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, we've done 2 in a row. That's why we're wearing the same clothes. And a stutter as well. It's come back. I think we're still tired. What we're going to do is we're going to make a jiggly slime. A jiggly slime, if I can say it. Jess is going to show me because I muck these up every single time. We're going to do some simple colours and then hopefully we're going to do a little bit of a twist at the end to make it a little bit more interesting. But we'll just see how it goes. So it's over to Jess. How are we going to make this?
Glue, water and activator.
Okay.
I'm going to be using this to start off, but...
So we're using Elmer's again. We've still got 3/4 of a pot left. We do have some bicarb soda by the side and we do have some contact solution just to throw on the table if we don't need it. But it's there for emergencies. So we'll start with the glue. We're making loads. I don't know how much we're making.
No, I wouldn't do much because the water adds to the amount.
Okay.
And the sun.
I'm going to follow some instructions. This will be the first time. For a very long time.
Don't trust me with instructions.
I am. You're the expert, remember? Okay. Someone else is the expert.
Yeah.
We're just copying their ideas. So, what next?
The water. Not much water.
Okay.
Like, tiny bit less water. What am I doing this with my hands?
I don't know.
A tiny bit less water than glue. That's what I've started off with.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I put some water in. It's mixed up. It's runny.
Make sure it's mixed so you can't see the little bits of glue.
We have it mixed. So now what?
Now, whatever you want to add in.
So we'll add some colour in. I'm going to do a little bit of purple.
And
But-
some blue.
I only want a little bit because I want it still clear.
Don't know why I was doing that. I
You're going to catch it.
Yeah.
Okay.
This looks this.
So I've gone for some purpley blue. Purpley blue? It's purple. It's not purpley blue, it's purple. I've gone for some purple, which is like purple. And Jess has gone for
That looks
a kind of... Oh, what's it called? What's the sea colour? Yeah, the light blue, that one.
I'm still mixing my paint in, look.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to add a
I'll
tiny
pretend.
bit more blue.
I'm going to pretend that I'm mixing my paint in so it doesn't look like that I skipped ahead.
I'm going to add a tiny bit blue. More glue in because I feel like I added too much water.
Okay.
There. That looks like I've done a lot better.
Okay.
I'm going to have glue everywhere. Now I'm going to activate it.
I'm watching you. No pressure. I can see you shaking.
That's because I am shaking.
This means it's going to be really sticky. Or not? How much activator am I putting?
Rip this table and rip my hands. That was actually way too much.
Is that because I said we had 3/4 of the pot left? You wanted to make sure that we...
That's so weird.
Well, yeah, it's kind of still drippy. How much are you going to go? Oh, a bit more than...
This is so weird. It's got tiny specks of glitter, so there's some glitter in the bowl.
It's like cold jelly.
Yeah. It's being mixed in. Like water with slime.
Is it meant to stick to your hands? Does that mean I haven't got it activated enough?
It shouldn't stick to them loads. It might stick a tiny bit.
Well, we have some purple jelly.
Like, if it still feels kind of like glue, then it's not really slime.
No, it's like a... It really is like my mum's jelly.
Look at how weird this looks, because it's not all mixed in properly.
I'm going to do put a bit more active in. Oops, a bit too much, but yeah.
That's what I did, and then I got this. There you go. Well, this isn't really mixing, it's more like me.
Well, I think that's... It's kind of.
Right.
Yeah. It is like real slime.
I'm going to add a tiny bit of normal contact lens solution.
I'm just gonna... Right, so if you want to stop for a second. So what I've done is I've just gone and got some powders that we played around with and we got. This will either work or not work. Funny that, it'll either work or not work.
Are you doing the purple?
I do purple because I got purple. And you do purple if you want, or do you want to do yellow?
Oh, I'll do like yellow because it'll make it kind of turquoisey, and I'm trying to make mine look like water, so...
Okay. So, you just stir that up, and when you're done, tell me you stirred it up.
But there's have you seen how little is left in the pack? Oh, that's so weird.
Right,
I'm mixed.
you're mixed.
That's
Okay, so now we're going to try something. If you just give me a second.
Can you see mine? Look at this.
Just tell me. So, our little thing with our jiggly slimes is, hopefully you can see them.
You can see mine, I
Is-
think.
They're glowing in the dark. Go and get it out and it works. Ah, that's much better. Look at that. I got it on me. You can see it glowing on me. So we made jiggly slime and we put normal paint in it, but the bit we didn't say we were going to do is we got some glow in the dark powders and
And where were the golden dark powders from?
I got them all the way from China.
Well,
They're only 50p each, so they're really cool.
although how long did they take to get there?
About 2 months.
Well, yeah, because they were in China.
But I like these. I just really hope the camera can pick it up. I don't know if it is.
I think it's picking up mine.
I just wish you could see what we could see in our eyes.
Yeah, they definitely go where we see them. Jeez, bright.
It's right.
I got like pond water.
So, hopefully you saw it, but what we did was we made jiggly slime. We made it. It's jiggly.
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
It even makes the noise jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Now, we've had a long day.
I've got slime in my hair.
If someone's got slime in their hair, we won't comment who that is, but it's not me. We did glow in the dark slime. I really hope that I can edit it in. If not, believe us, it looked cool.
It really does.
And we're going to have to go and play with our slime in the dark in a minute, which will be just really weird. But anyway, thank you very much. We made jiggly slime. I don't know what to say really. I'm running out of things to say.
Well, why
What
don't we
we
just end
think?
it here? Then?
Shall we just end it here? So there's my jiggly slime. Where's your jiggly slime?
Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
Yep, and it even makes the jiggle, jiggle, jiggle sound. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Thanks a lot. Take care.
Bye.
Why high pitched? Bye. Say again. Bye.
Bye.